Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Appwrite Functions step by step. Appwrite Functions let you run server-side code without managing your own servers, making it easy to automate tasks, process data, integrate APIs, and build powerful backend workflows. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where you want to create a function. Once you're inside the project, click Functions from the left-hand menu. Next, click Create Function and enter a name for your function. Choose the runtime environment that matches your programming language, such as Node, JS, Python, PHP, or another supported runtime. Then configure any basic settings required for your project. After creating the function, upload your source code or connect your preferred deployment method. You can define environment variables, configure execution permissions, and specify which events or API calls should trigger the function. Once everything is configured, deploy the function and wait for the deployment process to finish. After deployment, use the execute or run option in the dashboard, or trigger the function from your application using the Appwrite SDK or API to test that it works correctly. Finally, review the execution logs to confirm the function completed successfully. If any errors appear, update your code, redeploy the function, and test again until everything works as expected. And that's it. You now know how to use Appwrite Functions to run server-side code and automate backend tasks for your web or mobile applications. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.